it. So I just search this and take a screenshot for ideas and just paste this in. So now I'll just make it smaller. So this is 4. Now press Ctrl G. So it groups them. Ctrl G like this. I think I'll group the image too. Like that. So now let's make it bigger. Much bigger. Like this much. On the other side, because it's the same thing over here. So this is the front side of it. Still do it. It's good. So now search YouTube logo. You can take this one and go paste it. I have to take a screenshot again. It didn't work as expected. So now let's select the back. Yeah, it should be this one. Sorry. Go back. Texture. After searching texture, check for texture. You can search for on